contaminates the whole thing. So what it did is stretch the chain. Because when it exploded, it flared it out like that and it snapped back together.
All right. So that part breaking on the end of here,
It vibrated so bad
that it broke
right,
this down here somehow.
right.
Okay. Now that's just too much fun.
And they don't, by the time you buy that half, you already bought the whole case because you have to put it all together. So it's cheaper to buy one that's already assembled with
Right.
a warranty on it,
Okay.
and you go on your way.
All right. Well,
They don't even market no more.
so this is really.
I was just going to ask, did we actually get a new one?
Yeah, LKQ, they had a
Reman?
Yes. Nobody else in the country.
I'm stealing this back.
Sure.
She's been up here waiting since he wrote it up at 2.
Really?
I was like, I said to her, I said, did you tell me you were waiting? She was like, well, I went